Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be using our understanding of linear equations and applying it to this problem. So we are going to find the equation to the line that passes through 4x is 4, y is negative 2. And is the first one parallel to the line 2x take 3y equals 4. The first thing I'd like you to think about when we're talking about parallel is there's an even distance apart. So that means our slope is the same. So I'm going to try and get the equation into y equals mx plus c form to get the gradient, the slope of this line. So to start off, I'm going to write my equation. 2x take 3y equals 4. The next thing I'm going to do is try and get y by itself. So I'm going to take 2x away, and then I'll take 2x away from the other side. So that leaves me with negative 3y on this side and 4 take 2x. Now, next thing I'm going to be doing is trying to get y by itself. So that means to get y by itself, I need to divide that side by negative 3. So negative 3 divided by negative 3 is just 1, so it'll be y left. But that means I am going to be dividing this side by negative 3 as well. So that gives me y equals 4 divided by negative 3 take 2x divided by 3 by negative 3. So I can simplify that. Now just remember a negative is a positive, so I can change that to a positive. I want to just reorder it to make it into y equals mx plus c. So y equals 2x divided by 3 take 4 over 3. So now I've got it into my y equals mx plus c equation. So I can see straight away that my slope is 2 over 3. So I'm going to put that over here. Slope is 2 over 3. So the next thing that I'm going to be thinking about is my equation. So I'm going to rewrite it. Y equals my slope, 2 over 3, x plus c. Now to find c, I am going to need to substitute x and substitute y in, which is those points there. So my y is negative 2 equals 2 over 3 times 4 plus c. I can simplify that. 2 times 4 is 8, so it's 8 over 3 plus c. Now I'm going to get this to the other side, so I need to take 8 over 3 from each side. So negative 2 take 8 over 3 equals c. So if I've got negative 2, which is that's the same as me saying negative 6 over 3, I'm going to go, well, 6 plus 8, so it's negative 14 over 3. So c equals negative 14 over 3. So now I have my equation. I have y equals my gradient, 2 over 3, x minus 14 over 3. And there we have it. Let's have a look at a perpendicular to the line with the equation. So what does the word perpendicular mean? Perpendicular means there's a 90-degree angle switch. So if my line is here, it's going to be switched to here. So all that means is my rise and run has been flipped. So let's have a go at looking at that. So if my rise and run have been flipped, that means I'm going to have a slope of 3 over 2. I can write that into the equation. Y equals 3 over 2x plus c. Because our line has been moved by 90 degrees, our c is going to be different. So we need to find out still what c is. So it's still going through this point, so we can still substitute those values into the equation. So y is negative 2 equals 3 over 2x is 4 plus c. So now I've done this, I can then simplify this part. 4 times 3 is 12 over 2, which will be 6. So negative 2 equals 6 plus c. To get c by itself, I take 6 from each side. So negative 2 take 6 becomes negative 8 equals c. So I can finish by writing that equation as this y equals the slope x minus 8. And there you have it. We have just found the equation for our line that is perpendicular to this equation that goes through 4, negative 2. Really hope that helps you understand a bit more about linear equations. If you need any extra help, message me and I'll get back to you.